Hello guys, welcome to another video. Uh, from the last episode, if you remember, I tried reinstalling the Windows 98 on the Pentium 3 machine. The Pentium 4 from my previous video. This motherboard that I was not supposed to have. I also bought it from the guy that I was telling you about. I keep telling you about, of course. The Pentium 4 2000 megahertz. This one also I have tried many times to reinstall the Windows 98, but for some reason I think there is something related with the south bridge. When you try to make the partition for the Windows XP or Windows 98, it doesn't work at all. I mean, everything becomes sluggish. When you try typing the numbers and creating the partition, the system will become very unstable, and eventually you'll not be able to finalize the Windows 98 installation or Windows XP for some reason. So the motherboard is also faulty, just like the Pentium 3 that I was showing you in my last videos, and I do apologize that I couldn't make the video that with the final success. And yes, anyway, this is the Pentium 3, the copper mine that you probably remember from the last time, that is also faulty. And what you have right here is the this is another motherboard. I was forced to buy another motherboard. This time around was bought it from another guy from the internet. I don't know, he doesn't deal with these kind of things, to selling the second-hand parts. And I was lucky because this is the Core 2 Duo right here, 1.86 gigahertz, and it has 128 memory, the one stick of DDR1, and it has the video on board and the Tricom for my mouse right here for the Logitech. Yes, this is the video cards that I was kept. The guy gave it to me for very quite affordable, I could say. I paid €8 for it. This is the AGP that was going inside this motherboard, so I can test and reinstall the Windows, the operating system, the Windows 98. As you can see right here, the capacitors, the two capacitors are bulgy. Were marked in blue color. Also the smaller ones on the PCB, for some reason they were marked, but that is not important because the video card it does work. The DVD burner that I was telling you about, it doesn't work. For some reason it doesn't want to boot from the Windows 98 installation disk. It's also the IDE. I clean it up. It doesn't have dust inside. It doesn't have the lens are also cleaned very nicely. So yeah, it doesn't work. And I ended up because this model is made in 2008, July 2008, while this one for my spare parts that was in my possession was made in October 2006, and it's made by Hitachi. The model for this is SH-S182, Toshiba and Samsung. Anyway, yeah, so I want to show you the motherboard. The motherboard that is faulty. This one has the controller damaged. Also, there is on eBay the controller that you can attach to a vintage computer. He also has the 32 gigabyte SD card, so you can install it. So yeah, so I will have a link in my description, so you can make an idea if you're having some kind of problem. All you have to do is just install here in the PCI standard the controller for the IDE. So in this way you'll be avoid to change and replace the south bridge chip, this one from here. Yeah, just for you to make an idea. And now I'm going to show you sorry for the flickering, but when I'm touching when I'm getting close to the Windows 98, because it's nighttime in my... It does flickering because this is the CRT monitor. Anyway, the Windows 98 was successfully installed. In my next video I will be installing the games and the application that I was need, and also the 3D Mark and all of that. I hope you enjoy my video in my attempt to succeed by switching from a platform to another in order to achieve the Windows 98 installation. But as you can probably see, and in all my hard work, it's very hard to find in good condition the parts, the vintage parts, especially for in order to make it work properly and not to have any problems. So yeah, of course they will spend a lot of money on these parts so far. So yeah, thank you for watching once again, and see you in my second video when I'll be installing the games, so you can see exactly what the retro machine really means. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.